Welcome to the Full Porting series, where we guide you through every step of the process. Before diving into advanced techniques, it's essential to build a solid understanding of the basics. Mastering these foundational skills ensures a smoother learning curve and helps prevent common mistakes later on. By focusing on the essentials first, you'll be better prepared to tackle more complex challenges as the series progresses. When it comes to porting, having the right tools is crucial for achieving precision and efficiency. Among the most essential are carbide burrs, which play a key role in shaping and smoothing the internal surfaces of engine ports. These rotary cutting tools are valued for their durability and ability to remove material quickly without losing their sharpness. In addition to carbide burrs, other important tools include die grinders, sanding rolls, and measuring instruments to ensure accuracy throughout the process. Together, these tools enable technicians to optimize airflow and performance in engine components. Carbide burrs come in a variety of shapes and sizes, each designed for specific tasks in porting work. Common shapes include cylindrical, ball, oval, tree, and flame, with each offering unique advantages for different contours and surfaces. Cylindrical burrs are ideal for flattening and shaping flat surfaces, while ball and oval burrs excel at smoothing curves and enlarging holes. Tree and flame shapes are perfect for reaching tight corners and creating precise angles. Selecting the right burr shape and size ensures efficient material removal and a smoother finish, making them essential tools for anyone involved in porting and shaping metal components. Choosing the correct carbide burr is essential for achieving the best results in porting and shaping different materials. For softer metals like aluminum, a single-cut burr is often recommended, as it provides smoother finishes and prevents clogging. When working with harder materials such as steel or cast iron, a double-cut burr offers better control and faster material removal. Beginners should pay attention to the burr's shape and size, matching them to the contours of the workpiece to avoid uneven surfaces or accidental gouging. Taking the time to select the appropriate burr can help prevent common mistakes and ensure a cleaner, more precise outcome. When selecting the right RPM range for your rotary tool, it's important to consider both the type of burr and the material you're working with. Carbide burrs typically perform best between 15,000 and 35,000 RPM, while diamond burrs are often used at lower speeds, around 10,000 to 20,000 ERPM, especially on delicate materials like glass or ceramics. Softer materials such as wood or plastic may require slower speeds to prevent melting or burning, whereas metals can handle higher RPMs. Always start at a lower speed and gradually increase as needed, ensuring you maintain steady control over the tool. Wearing appropriate safety gear and keeping a firm grip will help prevent accidents and ensure precise results. Lubrication plays a crucial role during the porting process, helping to reduce friction and heat buildup between the tool and the workpiece. Using the right lubricant not only prolongs the life of your tools, but also ensures smoother, more precise results. Light machine oils or specialized cutting fluids are often recommended, as they provide effective cooling and minimize material buildup on the tool. It's important to apply lubricant consistently, either by brushing it directly onto the surface or using a spray bottle for even coverage. Proper lubrication leads to cleaner cuts, less wear on equipment, and a more efficient porting experience overall.